First, let's create SQL query named Binluan. Create database Binluan, semicolon. Create database Binluan. This command creates a new database named Binluan. Tapos yung go natin, go. Try natin kung walang error. Okay, meron na tayong database name to my surname. Tapos sa database na ginawa ko, maglalagay naman ako ng SQL query na magki-create ng table. Create table. First, students. Tapos student ID. Student ID integer primary key. Primary auto increment. Tapos input ng student is the name varchar variable character 100 characters maximum. Tapos age integer. Tapos and course bar chart maximum of 50 character limits. Tapos let's end with close parenthesis and a semicolon. Sa create table students, this creates a table named students to store student details like name, age, and courses. Tapos yung sa student ID po yung integer primary key auto increment. Yung integer means it's a whole number. Tapos yung primary key ensures each student has a unique ID. It uniquely gives identification to each data that is being loaded. Tapos dun po sa auto increment makes the ID automatically increase for each new record. Tapos dun po sa name varchar maximum of 100, it stores that student's name up to 100 characters. It says to this table maximum of 100. Tapos sa age integer, it stores the age of the student, and of course its course that is variable character maximum of 50. Maximum of 50 first ng students. Tapos and kailangan po natin ng tatlong table, so gagawa pa po tayo ng dalawa. Let's create table course ID create table course ID tapos integer primary key. primary key, auto increment. Primary key, auto increment. Tapos ay course. Course name. Course name. Variable character is to varchar maximum again of 100. Then its department. Variable character. Varchar 50. Tapos let's end up close semicolon. Create table courses. Create table courses. Course ID. Course ID. Integers. In primary key. Auto increment. The course name. Varchar 100. May mali ata. Symbol was expected linear. Position. Table course. Saan? Ito. Hindi kasi dapat nalagyan. Oh, kasi may closing. Okay, tapos let's gawa pa tayo ng isa plus 1. Create table enrollment ID integer primary key auto increment student ID store sa student ID integers, tapos course ID into integer, tapos semester varchar maximum of the foreign key to student ID. Student ID. Tapos references student ID. Tapos foreign key course ID the references course ID hindi wala akong nagawa dito yung natin dito courses and students Courses, students. Create table. State for it. Course, courses, students. Ito is courses. This table tracks which students are enrolled in which courses. The foreign key student ID references students and student ID. It ensures that student ID must exist in the students table. Thus yung foreign keys course ID reference yung next po na pang course. It ensures that course ID must exist in the course table. Meron ng tatlo. Meron ako tayong tatlong table. Ngayon, maglalagay tayo ng data. Insert. Insert into. Insert into students. Students is the name, age, course, then the values. First is si Jovan. 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 20 years old. No. Tapos, information technology. Information technology. Jovan, 20, information technology. Up. Okay. Information technology. Isa pa. Hardy done. Si Hardy done. 33 years old. Hindi nag-aaral. 2. Tapos si copy. Copy. 10 years old. Com-sci student. Computer science. The insert into students values. Insert into students name, age, and courses. Tapos yung values niya po adds new rows of data to the students table. Tapos each value in entry adds one student's data that has a unique identifier. natin sa students. Yan. Tapos, to drop a table, magkuha na naman po tayo ng SQL query sa command drop table enrollment. Yan. The drop, yung command po na drop table, it will permanently delete the data of the table enrollment. Tapos hindi na po siya ma-undan once it is executed. Okay, wala na. And to finally to delete a record, magkuha na naman po tayo ng SQL command na delete from students where student ID is equals to 3. Command po na delete from is magde-delete siya from students. And where po is yung student na pinili nyo, which is student ID number 3. Kaya ang mawawala po is yung may unique identifier na number 3. Kaya magiging 2 na lang po yung nandito. Okay.